Hi everyone, this is Pushpa M. Today's topic is saturated liquidity ratio. It's nothing but LSLR. Content definition: SLR increase and decreases, objectives, cause and effect of SLR on economy. First, let us see about the definition. SLR. It refers to the amount that the commercial banks require to maintain in the form of cash or cash equivalents compressing gold or government approved securities before providing credit to a customer. By approved securities, we mean bond and share of different companies. SLR is determined and maintained by the Reserve Bank of India. This SLR is maintained by the Reserve Bank of India, and it gives some cash or some it gives some cash for the customer by taking some securities from them or gold by the government approved securities, for example Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. things. They lend a cash to the customer. SLR increase and decreases. SLR increases. In what way it increases? Cash receives of commercial bank decreases and rate of interest increases, and price of credit increases, demand of the credit decreases, credit contracts. SLR decreases. In which way of SLR decreases? Cash receipts of commercial bank increases, rate of interest decreases, and demand for the credit increases, and price of credit decreases. We can compare this SLR decreases and increases in the form of cash receipts from the commercial bank. It decreases, and the rate of interest is also in both the rate of interest. In some case, when it is increased, it will be decreases for some cases. Objectives. What is the objective for SLR? The main objectives for maintaining the saturated liquidity ratio are the following. First, let us see. Saturated liquidity ratio is maintained in order to control the expansion or contraction of the bank credit. By changing the level of saturated liquidity ratio, Reserve Bank of India can increase or decrease the bank credit. It has full right. Reserve Bank has full rights to increase or decrease the credit level, or to change the SLR, or in other cases also. Saturated liquidity ratio in a way ensure the solvency of commercial banks. By determining saturated liquidity ratio, Reserve Bank of India in a way compels the commercial banks to invest the government securities like government bonds. These are the objectives of the SLR, saturated liquidity ratio. Causes and effects of SLR on economy. What it causes, what it affects on the economy. For economy, when the economy is faced with the recession or inflation, SLR rates are reduced or increased by the Reserve Bank of India in order to increase or decrease the credit in the economy. SLR rates are SLR rates reduces or increases by the Reserve Bank of India in order to increase the credit in the economy and cure the situation through various instruments of monetary policy, one of which is by taking the monetary policy, the economy balance can be brought into a stable. One of the instruction of monetary policy, which is a saturatory liquidity ratio. This causes this is the main this LRS is one of the instruction in the monetary policy. Thank you.